Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best spy pen cameras that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. CHUHE Spy Pen Camera. The Spy Pen is built with a user-friendly and to-use design that allows you to use the pen like a normal pen in meetings, classes, lecture, or office. It is a lightweight camera that weighs 33 grams and this allows you to work comfortably without holding much weight on your hands. This pen provides you with 1080p video recording format to allow you to take everything in HD. Additionally, it is a great spy pen cam that can be used when traveling, conference, investigation, and outdoor tasks. It is a reliable pen that provides you with up to 50 minutes of recording time. At number 4. Daretang 1080p HD Spy Camera Pen. With this spy camera pen, you can playback your recorded footage in 1920 by 1080 HD video resolution at a 75 degrees wide angle. It allows you to see what happened when you were away from your business, home, or office. Besides, the camera pen has pinhole lens hidden in the to keep it covert and discreet, where no one can know it is a spy camera. It is supported by a 32 GB card that saves all your footage. When the SD card is full, the older files are overwritten for continuous recording. At number 3. Pen Hidden Camera by Finnick. We offer the quickest way for you to be safe anywhere with this amazing Finnick pen hidden camera. Records full HD videos in 1080p, 1920 by 1080 video resolution and can be used as well to write. You can even record when you write. Finnick pen hidden camera has a long battery life. Its 300 mAh battery lasts up to 120 minutes of continuous video recording. You do not need any software to get started. Just press the top button and you are good to go. Easily manage your videos via the integrated USB port. You can playback your videos or delete them directly on your computer. At number 2. LKcare Hidden Spy Pen Camera. Hidden Pen Camera Spy Pen Camera. HD 1080p clip-on body camera mini camera pen 32 GB SD card with included wonderful spy gadgets for business and conference full 1080p pen camera for recording and taking photos. You can take a learning video in the classroom, gather evidence in business situations to prevent cheating, shoot video in an emergency to investigate the responsibility and fault of others. You can shoot learning videos in the classroom and go home for review. A camera pen with memory card would start video taking once it get charged. Please take the card out when charging it and finally at number 1. 1080p HD Spy Pen Camera. The SpyCam pen supports 1080p video recording, photo taking tasks, and video recording. It is equipped with a spacious 16 GB memory card for safe storage. Still, you can replace the 16 GB memory card that does not exceed 32 GB to have more storage space. It can record video continuously for about 60 minutes after a full charge where the camera takes 2 hours to attain a full charge. The SpyCam pen is built with exquisite workmanship that makes the camera comfortable for writing. This is not a good buy, although it has all the bells and whistles it has poor performance. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.